Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by choosing a clean green or solid color clip and the image or video you want behind it. Once imported, drag the background to the primary timeline track, then place your foreground clip directly above it. Make sure the foreground covers the same duration as the background so transitions are smooth. Now select the top clip. You're ready to apply the overlay effect that tells Imovie to replace that specific color with your chosen background. With the foreground clip selected, open Video Overlay Settings and switch the overlay mode to green/blue screen. This instructs Imovie to key out the selected color. You'll see the background show through immediately. Adjust the erode or softness sliders to remove halos and recover fine detail. Once done, use crop or Ken burns on either clip to align framing and scale so subjects sit naturally against the new background. Make sure motion and lighting feel consistent for realism. Finish by playing the entire sequence and watching edges during movement. You want no color spill or choppy keying. If you notice artifacts, tweak color correction and exposure on the foreground, then refine the softness or erode settings until the subject blends. Once satisfied, export using the desired resolution and frame rate. If problems persist, reshoot with more even lighting or a different solid background color. This often solves stubborn fringe issues and produces.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.